how to change Uber Eats driver profile picture. Here's what you want to do. First, you want to load up the Uber app. This is going to be connected to your Uber Eats driver app. So here, once you have the Uber app open, click on account. If you have been signed into the correct account, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner. All right, so from here, what we're going to do is click on personal info. So just click on personal info, and it's going to take us to this screen here. Now, if you want to change your profile picture, you will click on the profile picture itself, and it's going to tell us this: contact support. Photo can't be edited. Please contact us if you want to update your photo. So click on contact support. It's going to take us to this page here. So here, what we want to do, it's going to tell us how we will be eligible for a profile picture change if we have gained weight, facial deformation, medical conditions, plastic or cosmetic surgery. Here, do the extenuating circumstances require you to change your profile picture? If they do, you will type yes. If yes, has your appearance changed so much that you can be identified? Again, if it is, you will type yes. If yes, why can't you be identified against your picture? Here you will type your reason, then you will click on submit. If they approve your request, then you can change your profile picture on Uber Eats driver. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.